Very simple to make this video. I will just give you the concept, and maybe later on you can just try it. So the basically you need to superimpose the another video on top of the one video. So let's say if I will talk about in this video, my kid is going from this side to that side. Okay, so it is very much simple actually. Let's say you can see like this is why it is not reflected here, because of this superimposed video. So I have made two video, one video where it is he is going from this side to this side, and another video where there is no activity. So I superimposed that another video where there is no activity on top of this video for this frame. Okay, so now whenever he is going from this side to this side, this because of this superimposed video, there we will not be able to see him. Okay, so now I added till this portion only. Okay, so you can see whenever like this is the blank screen. Okay, and once he is coming out of here, till that time it is I have captured the superimposed video. Now once this is done, I removed that video. Okay, so now the original video why is there, which only is reflecting. So because of that blank video is not visible now. So if I have continued that till here, then this also my kid coming from that side to this side will not be visible. So but I don't want that, so that's why I superimposed till this time. Okay, so now this is the one portion, and the second portion of the video is this. He is coming from here. Again the same technique is being used. So he is coming from here, and you can see this is the another video. Okay, so where I superimposed this much frame only. So you need to make sure that you are making a video with the tripod and at the same location at the same angle. Otherwise the synchronization will not happen and it will not look similar. So you have to make sure that the thing is synchronized, and it is as per it looks like the one frame. So if that is the things, then it will work out. So you can see the my because of this video it looks like is coming not able to come out of that door. And once this is over, I just close that. I am not superimposing any video anymore. So then from that onwards, like he's just coming out, he's just coming inside the door just like a normal. So then it is possible because there is no superimposed of any video. So only things you need to do is you need to just use the feature. So for superimpose, like whenever you are adding another video, you need to go to the layer and go to the media and add the second video, which will come into the bottom. Okay, which is coming like this. And then to crop it, you need to just go there and use the cropping. Okay, so once you will crop it and make this on top of that video, then that's it, nothing you need to do it. Then it will make your video just look like this. Thanks for watching.